Go.
Hi, I'm Scott Southwell. I'm a professional photographer and former realtor. I specialize in real estate photography. I have special cameras, special lenses, special techniques, and I do it from a realtor's perspective. I'm also a licensed drone pilot, and this is my little flying friend right here. And in a minute, I'm going to fly it around and take some candid pictures of people running away from it. And I also do Matterport, which I have a little bitty camera over there, and it sends its signal over to my iPad.
If you want to hit play on my computer, we
And
can
then-
show them.
It does this. It brings this up, makes a dollhouse view from all the pictures I took, and then these little white circles right here, when you use your mouse and you click over it, hi, how you doing? And you click on it, if I can get it, it moves you around, and you don't have to do it.
Don't worry about it.
It moves you around, and you can see 360 degrees all around.
So if you're looking for a great photographer, I got his stuff here. You can see he's here supporting us today in our class at E&V Title. We're going over CMAs. We'd love to talk to you some more, and I'll send his contact info in here. Talk to you guys soon.